Yo, so today I decided that we needed a few bits and pieces, just scale bits really, maybe make a garage. So we're going to do some 3D printing today. We got the Ultimaker 2 Plus or Plus 2 up there, and I'm just on Cura now, slicing the files. Just changed the filament to red, so let's get going. Let's see, should be about 3-4 hours to get this print done. So here's the file, zoomy. So it should be a roll cab, a bit like a snap-on. I've laid it all out. These are available for free. Epic. Let's see. I've not really done these scale garage things, so let's see what this ends up like. Either way, make a nice keyring. Here it is on the card of destiny. Stick that in here. Turn, print, down to the bottom, hit go, and now she'll heat up. Building up temperature. 4 hours. It does sometimes change. Yeah. The layers are down. Keep on printing. You can see the scaffolding under there. Back down to 3 hours. Starting to see some progress. Wheels are done, casters are done. Woohoo! Looks like it's doing a draw. Wicked. All done. Now we've got to stick it together. Epic. Nice. So I need a couple more drawers. I think we'll print the wheels out in black. Yeah. Nice. So we've just changed the filament colour. Just run it through a little bit just to make sure there's no red in it. We're going to go black now. Just like the anniversary snap-on toolbox that I used to have. So now hopefully we got the correct amount of drawers. We'll have some new wheels, a handle and a top mat. So we're going to have a red cabinet, black drawers. So let's eject and chuck this in the front. Return, print, down to the bottom. It should be much quicker to heat up now. About an hour and a half we'll have the drawers. So I've gone ahead and removed all the scaffolding, which is this stuff. We've got the wheels, them. As you saw, we printed this out, so there's the cabinet. Let's put in our drawers. So that is the cabinet. Got the mat for on top. That's sitting there somewhere. The handle on the side. Wheels, we'll put the jockey wheels on. But how cool is that? Little roll cab. So just to show you the accuracy of my printer, that is a caster I have 3D printed. 2 parts. And the wheel actually spins. How groovy is that? 4 of those to glue on. Cool. So there it is. 1 roll cab. All it needs now is some tools. Subscribe, smash a bell. Thanks for watching. So there you go, 3D printing. Just for a little garage thing, maybe for the Max Smasher. Not something I normally do, but it's great to have one of these little machines. So later.